speaking with just a little flight information. Coming up on the left, we're going to be catching a glimpse. Speaking with just a little flight information. Coming up on the left, we're going to be catching a glimpse.
So, where the controls real?
Yeah, for sure. I really felt the realism in the singing.
So definitely you confirm that if you know how to fly this, then you can actually fly the actual aircraft.
I'm not expert, but from what I think, yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much, Lubega.
Good afternoon, this is your captain speaking with just a little flight information. Coming up on the left, we're going to be catching a glimpse.
Yes, but how quickly?
I know,
Because
that is the rate of time.
okay. Because it looks like while I'm turning, I'm also going down.
You went down. Oh, you went down. Bring it up.
I just noticed it once. Everything once.
It's red in color because they don't want you to overtouch it. You touch it once when you're starting the aeroplane. You put fuel in the engine. Yeah. So for the aircraft, we calculate every hour. Not all of it. So we just regulate it with this. So you put into amount and you start the airplane. So once you're inbound, you increase the yes. This shows the fuel. Yeah, it has the left engine and the right engine. So if you're flying and the left engine has no, let's say this is the middle. Once you fly, when this middle is in between, it means you're using both engines. You're using the fuel from the engine. So if you put it on the left engine, let's say on the right engine, it means you're using the fuel from the right engine. So if you put it to the left, it means you're using fuel from the left engine or the left tank. So in most cases, you fly in the middle so that you balance the fuel. then this is called the airspeed indicator. So it shows the speed. Once you increase like this, the throttle, and it starts moving, instead of you start moving just like the car, accelerator. It shows the speed indicator. You have the speed indicator in the car. Yeah, so this is the airspeed indicator. It shows the amount of the speed. Yeah. So knots in cars it's kilometers. In aircraft it's knots because we fly ahead of the kilometers. So 1 kilometer has 1 knot. 1 knot command. This is not command. It has 2 kilometers. It's equivalent to 2 kilometers. So as you fly, as you're driving at 60, you are flying at 120. You get it? So this is the airspeed indicator. It shows the speed at which the aeroplane is flying. Then this is the turn and slip indicator or turn coordinator. You saw what I showed. Now when you go up, this starts working. So when you start turning, you get it. When you turn, it will turn to the left or turn to the right. You see this board? It's black. When you press left, it will go to the left. When you press right, it will go to the right. Like that. So this is the artificial horizon. This shows the level at which you are from the ground. The level at which you are. So when you're flying up,
Let me know if you want to use it.
so
Yeah, thank you.
So when you're flying up, this shows the ground, this shows the sky. So when you're flying up, there is a certain level that you're supposed to maintain according to your flight plan or how you're flying or your intentions. You get it? So when you go down, it means you're going down to the ground. When you go up, it means you're going up. So there are certain levels that we maintain. So when they tell you to maintain level 20, you put the aircraft to this level. Like that. So this is the altimeter. The altimeter, it shows the height of the aircraft from the ground. Yeah. So when you climb, it works when you're climbing. When you start holding the aircraft and it's going off. When you're going off, it will show you the height. So this height is in feet. So this is 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet, 4,000 feet, 5,000, like that. Depending, it's like a clock. Yeah, it's like a clock. This shows the main feet and this shows the other digits. Like the clock will show you this, will show you the 30 minutes, the minutes, this will show you the hours. So if you're flying 4,700, this will show you the main 4,000 and then this will be here at the 700. Or if it goes to 6, if you're flying 6,500, this will be at 6, then this will be at 5 to maintain that height. Then this is the ILS or navigation. This is a bit complicated. These are the compasses. This is the compass. This is the main compass. The main compass. So when you turn the aircraft, for example, you press to the left.
No, it's on ground. Let him release.
First press
Both.
press up. Like that.
Release brakes. Release brakes.
Now you press to the left. So this compass is moving, then press to the right. Yeah, and you see how this is turning. This pole, the one I told you about.
So they can't hit you.
So you press up, you press up.
Brakes.
Release? Press up.
Oh, the brake like this. Oh, so the brake is this. Brakes are up.
Yeah, brakes are up when you want to stop, and then down. So this is the heading. We call it the heading indicator. It will show you the heading where the aircraft is going. Yes. This will show you the vertical, the rate at which the plane is flying. Now, if you're flying, let's say, we talked about this. If you're flying at 4,000, so this will show you the rate at which you're climbing. Either you're climbing at 500 feet per minute or 400 feet per minute, or depending on what you need. So this shows show you the rate. It will show you this rate. For example, I want to go up. I want to jump faster. So now that rate of which you reach the desired altitude is what it shows. Then this is the RPM. The RPM shows you the amount of the power. You know?
Like the way of like a normal car.
Like a normal car. Showing you
Another aircraft.
an aircraft. So these are the engines showing you fuel, fuel gauges. It should be showing you fuel gauges and everything. This is the clock, the time. Going from a different country to go to another country. This is navigation. These coordinates, once you press them or once they're active, that's when they track your aircraft wherever it is. So before you leave the ground, you have to put in the coordinates or the codes. That's why you see people who crash, they get them through these navigation codes. They say, okay, this person was here. So you see that chart, accidents with traffic. Because if the aircraft has coordinates, they'll be watching you and they tell you, oh, fire descending, The rest are normal. These are our lights. This is autopilot. This is our GPS, communication, like that. The other ones are supposed to be circuit breakers. When you go in the rear aircraft, those are circuit breakers. The way you see electricity, it has circuit breakers and power. So those circuit breakers are aware of all these switches. So every switch here has a circuit breaker. So in case it's damaged, the circuit breaker comes out, and you know, okay, you have a problem with this switch. And then you can have safe lights. These are master switches when you're starting. You want to switch on. Switch on all the lights and everything. This is for the landing gear. Those planes that have, you know, the tires. The inside. This is what you